Hi, welcome to Health Hacks. Have you ever noticed that while you may think you're experiencing erectile dysfunction, you still have morning erections? Erectile dysfunction isn't always a cause for concern or a disease. We constantly discuss ways to manage this situation, and relying on pills with potential side effects is not always the best solution. Taking such medication offers only a temporary fix. So, what if we could find a permanent solution? To explore this idea, we need to understand how erections work. One of the key factors in erectile dysfunction is nitric oxide, an important molecule. Many medications for erectile dysfunction utilize the nitric oxide pathway. But why is nitric oxide important, and what role does it play in our bodies? Nitric oxide relaxes the smooth muscles in our blood vessels, which improves blood flow. Its benefits extend beyond erectile dysfunction, as it also supports heart and overall body functions. Nitric oxide aids in testosterone production and is involved in regulating the hormone that controls testosterone levels. Testosterone is crucial for healthy erections. Additionally, nitric oxide helps regulate the stress hormone cortisol and improves sleep. Stress is a common underlying cause of erectile dysfunction. In our bodies, two systems work together, the sympathetic system and the parasympathetic system. For a healthy erection, the parasympathetic system should be activated. However, when stressed, the sympathetic system dominates. This brings us back to the topic of morning erections. During sleep, when stress hormone levels are low, the parasympathetic system dominates. So, if you're experiencing erectile dysfunction but have normal morning erections, stress could be the underlying issue. By reducing stress, you can automatically alleviate the problem. Nitric oxide also plays a role in sleep cycles. Sleep disorders like sleep apnea increase the risk of erectile dysfunction. Diabetic patients are also more prone to both diabetes and erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction occurs due to the destruction of endothelial cells in blood vessels, which are the main source of nitric oxide in the body. On the other hand, nitric oxide increases insulin sensitivity, which is essential for controlling diabetes. Additionally, certain lipid-lowering drugs like statins and fibrates can contribute to erectile dysfunction. Thus, nitric oxide is a crucial factor. Now, how can we increase nitric oxide levels in the body? The answer lies in practicing nasal breathing. Nitric oxide is produced in the paranasal sinuses and continuously excreted into the nasal airways when we breathe through our nose. This allows nitric oxide to reach the lungs and circulate throughout the body. Regular exercise is another important factor. It not only helps reduce stress, which is crucial for treating erectile dysfunction, but also improves the vascular system, endothelial cells, and nitric oxide secretion. Therefore, regular exercise is key to maintaining a healthy erection. Let's explore some foods that are high in nitrates. Spinach is not only a delightful addition to salads but also a great source of natural dietary nitrates. The nitrate content in fresh spinach, 100 grams, can range from 24 to 387 milligrams, depending on the growing conditions. Another vegetable to consider is bok choy, which belongs to the cabbage family and boasts the highest amount of nitrates. Bok choy can contain anywhere from 103 to 309 milligrams of nitrates per 100 grams, depending on how it was cultivated. Lettuce, despite not being renowned for its nutritional value, surprisingly contains a noteworthy quantity of natural nitrates. The nitrate content in lettuce ranges from 13 to 267 milligrams per 100 grams. Beets, on the other hand, are not only rich in dietary nitrates but also possess the ability to convert them into nitric oxide within the body. Studies have shown that consuming a beetroot juice supplement can increase nitric oxide levels by 21% in just 45 minutes, as observed in a group of 38 adults. Lastly, carrots contain a moderate amount of nitrates, with a range of 92 to 195 milligrams per 100 grams. Other foods that can be considered include garlic, meat, dark chocolate, citrus fruit, pomegranate, nuts, seeds, and watermelon. On the other hand, it is advisable to avoid sugar, alcohol, and stress. Sugar increases the chances of atherosclerotic plaque formation and damages the endothelial lining of blood vessels, leading to reduced nitric oxide levels. Alcohol also decreases nitric oxide levels, while stress affects the body in various negative ways. Improving sleep is another important aspect to reduce stress and improve erections. It is also crucial to discuss any recent changes in erection with a doctor if you are taking any medication. Some drugs can cause temporary erectile problems. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it to support the channel. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss the next one.